Hi everyone, welcome to Homebody. I am Felisa, your host for today's video. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing some summer coffee table ideas. So I hope this video inspires you, and I'll come back later to tell you where each and every one of the items came from. Bye! Okay, love, so now I want to go ahead and give you the details of what's going on each coffee table style. I'm starting with the candles, which are from Amazon. I have a link down below to that. My books are from Stage My Nest, and the vase is actually from Z Gallery. My coffee table itself is also from Z Gallery. So in this next setting, my pineapple holder is from Bath and Body Works. The palm trees are from Hobby Lobby, and the bird is actually from Home Goods. So in the next setting, my vase is from Z Gallery, as well as the palm leaves. And the pineapple candle holder is from my neighbor. Actually gifted me those, but you can get your hands on them from Amazon. I'll place a link down below. Then I have another candle on top of the pineapple candle holder, as well as a starfish, which is from Michaels. So in my next setting, I have a set of vases which I purchased last summer from Z Gallery. They were on clearance. I think I got them for like 70% off. The flowers that you see in the vase actually came from Hobby Lobby, and I have them paired with that same pineapple candle holder and candle. So the last setting, I pretty much just removed the candle holder and I added a tabletop crab that actually came from Home Goods. I actually took one of the vases, flipped it upside down, and I'm using it as a candle holder. So this goes to show that you can use different decor pieces for different purposes when it comes to home decor. Now the last setting is a actual DIY that I did. I think you may have already seen it, but if not, I'll go ahead and place the link below, or try to place it here for you to take a look at. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.